Yeah, one second. Hey, I need that updated imagery for the sinkhole in St. Louis.
We need to assess the sinkhole perimeter for safety hazards before dispatching a crew.
Okay, on it.
Thanks.
When you need updated imagery, waiting isn't an option.
This isn't gonna work.
Spexi connects you to a network of local drone pilots, ready to capture exactly what you need within hours. Support emergency response, monitor construction and infrastructure projects, or track urban growth, all with crystal clear, up-to-date data you can trust.
Hey, any update on the imagery from St. Louis?
Already got it.
Across the globe, Spexi delivers imagery with 30 times higher resolution than satellites, 200 times faster than fixed-wing aircraft, and 10 times more affordable, all with zero friction. Visit Spexi.com today to get started exploring your world.